nami tolika nami timomo.
Oh, good evening.
Hello Bhuti.
Good morning, mother.
Hello Bhuti.
It's all right.
Who's all right? Sithandwa sami kunjani?
I am very right. No man, mother. Ndiyathengisa apha.
Oh, bethuna yini mani nina niyathanda ukuza kuthi kaloku my friend xa ninyanga zinje because umzekelo uyabona uba besisandopeya akho mntu nanto ngoku.
No mother is right this one. You're not gonna pay now.
Okay,
you're gonna pay. I'm gonna give you an extra month, mother.
Oh, usandilinda.
Yes. Otherwise, mother, my name is Hashim Bhatat.
Oh, Bhatat.
Yes, Bhatat. I'm here for Noxolo.
Okay.
Yes.
So I am selling my friend because ndithanda ifeta.
Okay. So mother, everything you see here is electrical, you know.
Okay.
That one
is my friend niyakumtha nina.
This one is
ndithanda loo nto ke kuni because into zenu ziyabhadla.
Yes. You know this one, mother, is an electrical feather duster, and this one electrical broom, and this one is a electrical raker.
Zisebenza njani ke ngoku, my friend?
You put a battery inside, but you see now you have to wait until night because they work too much at night because it needs the darkness to work because it's a darkness tool. It's a darkness tool. So mother, for you it's 50 rand. Usually it's 70 rand. But you know, there is a first customer discount. Uyayazi musi.
Ndiyazifuna ezinto unayo kaloku sisi eqhorha because usisi yena but ke zakhe ngezisebenza ngesandla. Ndifuna ke nam ndikhe ndize
but this one is different and it works at night.
So ke ngoku uhamba njani umtshayeli uba imani?
This one is the electrical broom.
Okay.
Yes. Originally it is 100 rand.
All right.
But because it's you, mother, and it's a first customer discount. No, you know the for the people. So you put a bed and it works at night.
Okay.
Yes. And also it at night. Yes.
Oh, okay.
The other, you see the other blue house.
Yeah,
bought one. The other old broom, the broom to fly.
Okay.
Bought one over there
for the flies. Yeah. Okay.
So mother, if you can take
my friend.
If you can take one.
Me,
I'm from Noxolo.
Send it all background.
Oh, no, don't worry, mother. But what I'm saying is, I'm gonna sell you free,
ne?
This time, but you pay next month.
Okay, yeah.
So I leave you now, and then I pay next time. May I write you, mother, down?
My friend is zinhle into zakho ne. Sungama mathathe ke ndingacazi uba ndiyazibetha my friend. No money wena my friend. Yabona, you see, but that I want you to come too much ne because my daughter is working. So maybe coming off late. So maybe it's the one that would like the
thing.
No, I'm going to take it the
But if you're not buying, mother, you can give it me. And then I'm gonna come when the child is here. Ne?
When the child is back,
yes.
You come when the child is back.
Yeah, you are right, man. I'm gonna sell you next time to at another house.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm
gonna do that. Please cook something. I'm gonna come.
Okay, but
thank you very much. Oh, you know me, mother. I'm a right one.
Okay.
I'm sent from
God.
No, don't worry. It's fine, everything.
Okay, but Papa, I see.